Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how my mom makes this delicious dish called Qeemay ki pasanday. It is a recipe from my grandmother. It is delicious. Everyone in my family loves it and is also very famous. Step 1. Ingredients and instructions. In a bowl, add 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of my homemade garam masala. I made a video of that as well. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. Add 1 bunch of cilantro, which is also known as coriander leaves, and 4 green chilies chopped. Add half a cup of gram flour, also known as chickpea flour. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Add 3 medium-sized onions sliced. Mix all the ingredients. Add salt to taste, but not too much. Mix well. Make round meatballs. Just like that. Take clean thread and wrap the meatball with it. This will help the meatballs stay intact. Just make sure the meatballs are made with light hands and they're also wrapped with thread lightly. There should be around 14 meatballs. Step 2. Ingredients and instructions. In a pot, heat 1.5 cups of oil or 1 cup of ghee. Add 4 medium-sized onions sliced and fry them on high heat. Stir often. Fry onions till golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add the meatballs one at a time. Once all the meatballs are in, fry them for a few minutes. Flip the meatballs carefully. Add 2 cups of water, just enough to soak the meatballs. Add salt to taste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix by shaking the pot lightly to make sure the meatballs don't break. Bring it to boil, cover the pot and reduce heat to medium-high. Cook for about 25 minutes or till all the water is evaporated. Stir occasionally. Keep cooking the meatballs till there is no water left in the pot. Once the oil has separated from the gravy, it's done. Please do remove the thread before you eat. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, give it a thumbs up and share. Also, the recipe is in the description below. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!